Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix could not find the recovery environment in Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to actually try is to open the start menu and then you need to search for CMD or command prompt. After that, you need to make sure that you click on Run as an administrator. So, from here hit on yes, and now command prompt will open. Now you need to write this exact prompt. RE agent C, then / enable. Hit on enter. And now if it tells you operation successful, see if the things are fixed. So if it gives you the same error, you need to try the last result, which we are going to do. So you need to close command prompt and then you need to open the start menu and search for create recovery drive. As see from here, you need to click on create a recovery drive and hit on yes. So to actually fix your issue, you need to get a flash drive and then you need to make that drive bootable for your Windows reset. So after that, all you need to do is hit on next and now follow on the prompts to make your flash drive bootable for reset options. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.